Hey everybody! Tonight I've got a rather special thing to show you. And it's this Signal Model 1649 Cool Spot from 1954. But this is not your typical cool spot. It's been powder coated in a color called Winter Mint, and it's had some custom chrome work done. So we'll take a bit of a closer look at it. And we'll do One of the touches that we did to this fan was a custom chrome rear bullet cover and a custom chrome grille. And as you can see, the results are just absolutely a knockout. And now we'll give the fan a demonstration run through the speeds. So the first speed on the switch is high. And this fan does spin at a pretty high RPM and move a very healthy breeze. And we'll turn it down to medium now. And we'll put it down to low. And we'll bring it back up to high speed. And we'll shut it off to show the coast down. Okay everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video of this unique Signal Cool Spot fan. So thank you for watching, and as usual, we will have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.